Hello, Josie here again. Alright, so I just finished unboxing my Soldal Zig, and I got notice that my SartoriaJ Philip was in. So I'll probably be posting this video ahead of my Soldal Zig. So just if you're wondering about the order of things, yeah, I'm skipping some stuff here. So anyways, actually I'm probably going to post Philip before a lot of the re-unboxings that I've done. So this box had come earlier. I've actually been holding on to this for probably just about a month. This is also from SartoriaJ. Now this is the Dominic full set and armor. I was waiting to do this unboxing when I had Philip because I wanted to put them on him. So we're going to open this one first. And I have it upside down so that my personal information is private. So this is my first, or Philip will be my first SartoriaJ male doll. I've got several of the female dolls and I absolutely love them. So I have Serena, she's back there, the elf beside my Little House Leonard. And then I also have, I'm not sure where she is. Oh, there's a Serena there. And that's Luthen. Sorry, Luthen. So, again, trying to keep my personal information personal. There we go. Okay, so this is the outfit, the Dominic outfit. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at it, even has like some chainmail stuff. Super nice. So this will be the armor. And if you've been following my channel at all, you know I'm a sucker for dragon stuff. So you'll understand why I wanted this armor so bad. Because it's got dragons on it. Now, I might just speed this part of the tape up just so that you guys aren't bored senseless while you watch me open each of these little packages. But don't worry, I will do a show and tell at the end, okay? Okay, so that was the last of the armor, and how magnificent is this set? Like, seriously. So if you're wondering about the crowns, I actually got both. So there's a his and hers, a king and queen. So, or actually, maybe it's not that. Well, it's a little difficult, but anywho, I think they nest. Something along those lines. Or individually. Alright, I'm going to put all these pieces back in the box while we unbox Philip. How fantastic are those feet? Like the armored feet. Absolutely love that. And those hands, oh, just love it. I love the care that they took in wrapping this up. I mean, just a beautiful set. I'm not gonna lie, I'm slightly paranoid to use it now. Which is absolutely terrible. That's not the point of the whole thing, is it? So, just going to do this and put this back on. Alright, set that aside while we do the unboxing for Philip. So here is Philip. I have a couple of little goodies, I believe, in this one for him. So I was a little surprised by the size of this box. If you've seen my previous SartoriaJ boxing and videos, you'll know that I know they had gone to the reduced packaging. Just because shipping is just completely and utterly ridiculous right now, cost-wise. But I'm sure even then, my Serena and my Luthien both were in much bigger boxes than this. So, although I know with my Luthien, her box had been wrapped like this as well, but I know for Serena, her box was a box within a box, and it was a giant box. So I don't know how many of you are familiar with the SartoriaJs, but they just finished releasing all the dolls, well, I shouldn't say all the dolls, several of their dolls in the gray version. And oh my gosh, absolutely love them. I do love the gray, but again, I'm running out of room. So, room and money were only not an issue. I'd have all of them. Not gonna lie. But unfortunately, to both, that is not the case. So, if you are one of those people who did nab a gray, let me know in the comments below, because I would love to see what you got. I think they're just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I wanted both Serena, Luthien, and there was a male too. I can't remember which one it was. And yeah, I would have ordered all three if I could have. I know right now they've just released them, or the gray in the MSDs, which are, you know, far more affordable and don't take up as much room. So if you're into the MSDs, I highly recommend you go check them out. Absolutely gorgeous dolls. So there we go. Yeah, really reduced packaging on this compared to what they have had in the past. So very nice though, and it looks like it's all arrived in really nice order. So here's my certificate. Just gorgeous. So with the Philip, he came with 2 heads, so the human and a vampire head, and I'm quite excited about that. Oh, and this is his full set, so beautiful. And his booklet. And to be perfectly honest, I may just, for this video, put him in his full set and do a video afterwards with the Dominic set and the armor set. Just an FYI, okay? Oh, so here's his wig. Ooh. Oh, gorgeous. So here's his vampire set, or vampire face. Now, I'm not sure what's going on. Okay, let's try, there we go. So, there's the vampire head. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Super excited. I don't know how much I'll actually use it. I do like to break out the vampire heads and skull heads that I do have for some of my dolls at Halloween. So I'll be doing photos about that, I am certain. Oh, itch. I ordered him some underwear. And there's my order sheet and the string for him. Ooh, and look at it. I love these. Like, these are just fantastic. As you can see, I already had the women's ones. I got a set for Luthen and Serena, and I use them all the time. Like, absolutely love them. Just double checking the little pockets here. Now, so with him, oh, he's beautiful. I can't even remember what color I got in there. Just hold on. Sonoran Beige. So this is the Sonoran Beige. Okay, there should be eyes. Oh, there they are. His eyes. Oh, gorgeous. Okay, I hope I'm not the only one when I say this, but I love the smell of new resin. So, if you see me taking a big whiff, you know why. Okay, so here is my first SartoriaJ Philip. First SartoriaJ male, I should say. I have a few females, like I've said. Oh. So what I'm going to do now is I'm probably going to stop the video at this point. I'm going to put his eyes in, and then I'll start it back up for the dressing of him and his full set. Alright, full set or Dominic? Oh, I can't decide. Okay, I will find out which one I want to do, and then I'll let you know when we come back. Alright, be right back. Hello. Alright, so I put his eyes in, and I decided to be brave and attempt the Dominic full set along with the armor. So here's where we're gonna try that, see how it goes. And this piece, or these clothes, are absolutely gorgeous. So we're gonna start with his pants. Always a good spot to start. So after reviewing my order, and I went back into the box, I actually was missing some boots that I ordered also to go with this outfit. So I had to put in a message to SartoriaJ, and so Jay and the team, and just let them know that I never got those boots. So here's hoping I hear a reply back sooner versus later. I already took the liberty of changing his hands into the clothing, just for ease of use, which I absolutely love these things, and I use them all the time with my girls. So, and I imagine it'll be easier for his as well. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, I think we have to take his head off for this one. And, oh, there it is. Now to change his eyes, I have already taken his head off once, and I will admit it was very hard to pull this string. But this is what I normally use to do that. So there. And all it is just a ribbon, and like so. But yes, he's strung rather snug, so just an FYI for anybody who else may have had them, to make sure you have a string with a ribbon with a knot at the end, just to make it easier to do that pull. Okay. Sounds like it might actually be raining here, and that is some sweet music to my ears. We have had such a dry summer. So many of our farmers and wildlife desperately need this. So if it pours, I will be very happy. So because I'm missing boots for him, I haven't yet tried any of my Ipple House Guys boots on him. But for that reason, I thought, why not try the armor? Because guess what? Doesn't matter, because he has his own shoes. Boots, feet, it's all one piece. So I thought that'll work just fine. I am just so impressed with this face-up. I think he has one of the most beautiful face-ups. He's absolutely gorgeous. Very, very happy. And if you've seen my other videos, you know that I'm a little bit picky when it comes to lacing. I prefer to lace always the exact same way. So if I lace with this one underneath, it always has to be the first one. So I just like it to look consistent. And even if nobody else sees it, I know I did it that way, so. I am looking forward to seeing how the Bloody Baron outfit looks on him. It's a beautiful set, so I look forward to seeing that as well. Oh, he is just super handsome. Alright, now set this first. Move those in here. And again, I'm using the ring doll stands, and I buy these off of Legend dolls. They do tend to take a while through Legend, I'm not gonna lie. I usually, like, if you place an order, you'll get the order 6 months later generally. But so for that reason, when I place an order for stands, I usually buy 3 at a time, just so that I have enough for the next however many dolls I have on order and in the future. So okay. I know I've said this before, but sometimes I wish outfits came with instructions, because goodness gracious, sometimes there's a lot of pieces you need to know how to put on. Okay, before I put this piece on, I just want to show you some of the details on it because it's just gorgeous. So you can see Christ on the cross on that. How lovely is that? Just a really nice detail. zipper. I believe it straps across his body, so we're going to put that underneath this and underneath that cross. Sometimes tweezers help with this type of process, and I should have grabbed some, and I didn't, to dress him. There we go. All right. Next piece, let's do the legs. So as you can see, they just have these buckles to do. So we'll do those ones next. Actually, perhaps we should change him into his feet and hands before we get too far. So we'll do that next. So like I said, with this armor set, he has different hands, and they're just absolutely gorgeous. Like, I love these. That is just amazing. So let's put these on before we get too carried away. Feet out. So I'm assuming, yeah, it looks like there's a definite left and right, although it's not indicated anywhere. So it's just an eyeball. Sometimes all you need is a pencil. So all I'm going to do is just do this so that I can easily, or a lot easier, change this out without, like I said, wrecking my fingers or my doll. And then we're just going to pull. Okay. Haha. Sometimes it just takes a little ingenuity, and teeth help too. I remember the first time I had to change feet on a doll that was super tight, and it was actually my Serena. I was changing her into her high-heeled feet, and she was so tightly strung, and I was so new at them that I ended up seriously damaging myself and actually doing some damage to her resin a little bit around the ankle, and I was so upset by it. So now I kind of like to, I do a test pull, let's put it that way, and just doing that can tell me that if I need a little extra help in the form of, you know, pencils or what have you, because it definitely does help. You want to use something that's soft enough that won't damage the resin, yet is hard enough to hold that place instead of having that elastic snap back in. I have had to re-pull an elastic, and it's kind of a pain in the neck. So I try to avoid that at all costs, that whole snap back. So we're going to do that again for this. So have it ready. Although I'm realizing this is easier for me. So we're just going to do like so. There. Take that one off and put on. And then we're just going to pull this out, give it a little flex. There we go. All right. Next, we can put these on. So yeah, this outfit, or the I should say the armor certainly looks very intimidating. So, but I'm glad I'm tackling it now, and you guys are watching me do it. So I hope if you were one of the lucky ones to get this set, that you too won't be too intimidated by it now. We'll learn together. There we go. Oh, such a beautiful set. Okay. You know, I never even checked to see if there is a right or a left on these. Not sure if there would be a difference or not. And now that I'm looking at it, there very well could be. And I may have put this on the wrong leg. So we're just going to do a quick little change here. So this one, will go on the other leg, I think. And it's not because it looked wrong exactly. It does look a little different. So it's not... Oh. I think that'll work just fine. That's so cool. Absolutely cool. So he will be a Knight of the Dragon, or the First Order of Dragon, or something. I don't know. But very, very neat. Alright, and then these go above the gauntlets. Let's just see if there's any differences between them. I don't think that there is. So lots of buckles with this thing. But look how impressive it looks. So worth it. Oh my goodness, I friggin' love that. There. I don't know how many of these sets were sold, but if you were one of the lucky people that received one or ordered one, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you and what your thoughts were on it. Alright. Now, that is a lot of resin. I am not going to lie. Okay. So let's get them on the stand. Oh, he's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. There. Okay, and let's see his wig. Oh my gosh, absolutely gorgeous. Like, absolutely gorgeous. Okay. So this, it has straps in here to put the arm through to hold. Now, let's see if its big gauntlet will actually even fit in there. Well, I don't know if he's really designed to hold this. So, let's see if we can find, yes. So what I like to use are these teeny tiny little clear elastics. And let's see if we can't get, these might be a little too small for the size of that gauntlet though. So we'll see if we can get this to work. It's not perfect. I would have preferred a little more stability to lift this sword, but that might take a few extra elastics. But there he is. How gorgeous is he? Absolutely love it. Alright, so I just wanted to show some close-up of him because really he is magnificent, I'm not gonna lie. So here we are. And just look at those details. There are so many of them in this outfit and the armor that it's just wow. Absolutely wow. So let's get a and that face, my goodness, That is just a gorgeous, gorgeous face up right there. Beautiful. Alright, so that's it for now, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye!